Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is our Zettelkasten week. Boy, oh boy, do we have some fun planned for you with that. So, Victoria, what will you tease us with today for our Monday Compass?
Well, it's pretty straightforward this week. We're just going to do some filing and figure out what to do with these little puppies that we've created in the last 2 weeks. So it's no surprises, all spoilers. We're going to do some numbering and filing of note cards. How about you?
Oh boy, well, the one thing I'm not going to be doing is numbering and filing because I don't have your book yet. So we're going to be making some numberless cards as we have been doing for a while. So we're going to be talking, of course, about our character trait that we've been working through this month, and we will put some notes down on cards and get our Zettelkastens ready for Victoria for your book to get here. So come on back
It's coming.
tomorrow and we will see you for some specifics. Till then, bye-bye.